Hey everyone, Happy here. Today I'm going to show you how to make bread at home. So I give you simple step and then you can make bread at your home. So I here got a 1 kilo flour and some yeast and oats, some caster sugar and salt and chia seeds and water. So now we're going to mix the dough. So I got some salt and chia seed and oats. So little bit mix first. So look a little bit wet, but you don't need to worry wet. It's look like this. So now cover up the tea towel. So every this one need to fold a couple of times. So at least 5 hours. Put outside temperature. So look, the dough rising a little bit, so we're gonna fold again. You can see very sticky your hand, so you just fold like that. Okay. So I covered up again. So maybe waiting 1 hour later. So depending the room temperature. So if the weather is warm, so gonna be rising more faster. So today is not that hot, probably waiting another hours and then we gently fold again. So now cover up. Time start. So beautiful. Now double size. So we fold again. Just gently, you can see very stick. So look, you can. So we leave for another hours, and then we close again, cover, and then later, so cover. Cover again. Time start. So the dough. So this one gonna be make the bread loaf, and put the tray like this. Make sure enough flour cover surrounding. So now make the burger bun. So you can make a little bit big or small, as your choice. So like that. So basically just like that, 4 inside. So like that. So now prepare for the tray. So basically you can use a little bit water, just brush the top. So you can add the seeds, whatever the seeds you like. So they're gonna stick together. And then top a little bit, just gently with the water. So when you cook, not easy burned. So that's it. So another one. You don't have to put the seeds on top, but if you want to. So just the same thing. Burger you can brush a little bit if you want to. And then you can add seeds on top. So I place the sesame seeds. So now we going to bake